Hello there, future homeowners. Welcome to Angelo Home Tours, where dreams come to life. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to Havenwood Community by Taylor Morrison in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada. To start your journey to Havenwood from the iconic Bellagio Fountain, simply follow these directions. Don't miss the chance to find your dream home. Havenwood Community offers a variety of floor plans tailored to your needs. Let's take a closer look. Hydrangea Floor Plan. A perfect blend of comfort and style, the Hydrangea Floor Plan boasts 3 bedrooms plus a study, 2.5 bathrooms, and a spacious single-story design with a 2-car garage. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Hydrangea. Iris Floor Plan. For those seeking flexibility, the Iris Floor Plan presents an optional MultiGen suite, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, all in a thoughtfully designed single-story layout. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Iris. Orchid Floor Plan. Entertainment enthusiasts, rejoice! The Orchid Floor Plan features a media room, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a single-story design with a 2 to 3 car garage. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Orchid. Rose Floor Plan. Elegance meets functionality in the Rose Floor Plan. With an optional MultiGen suite, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a single-story layout ranging from 2,531 to 2,756 square feet, you'll find the perfect space for your family. These are the elevations and standard floor plans for Rose. These are the different features available in the homes. Take a moment to visualize your dream home by exploring the community site map. With various options available, you're certain to discover the perfect location to construct your Havenwood haven. Ready to make Havenwood your new home? Contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 to secure your place in this upcoming community. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of something truly special. Subscribe and enable notifications to stay informed about all things Havenwood. Thank you for joining Angelo Home Tours, where we're dedicated to helping you find your perfect home sweet home.